Hi guys, this is Rich Sparks, Keller Williams Associate Broker, and let's check out this great property located at 16388 Via Villagio Street in Macomb Township. Now, this is really spectacular. I love what they've done outside, and this is a new construction home, so you could be the very first person to live in it. Full landscaping in place. I love the oversized door on the entranceway. Now this is a 4-bedroom ranch. So 3 bedrooms on the main floor with a loft upstairs with a full suite. We're going to check that out in a minute. Now this room here could be used as an office. It does have closets, so it's another bedroom. But if you're looking for a 3-bedroom home with an office, there you go. If you're interested in seeing this property, give us a call and we'll set up a private showing for you. Here's the secondary bedroom. Nice size room, solid flooring throughout the entire first floor. And this home is Utica Community Schools. First floor laundry all set up for you with gas, so if you like that gas dryer, no problem. Wide open living space, and you're going to see the best part here in a minute. I love what they did in this ceiling. Isn't that beautiful? Now you buy your light kit, the builder will install it, no problem. Great living space here. And you're going to want to stick around to the end where I'm going to show you the big bonus on this particular property. This is the master bedroom. You're looking out. No one's behind you. It makes for a really beautiful view. Dual sinks. Really pretty master bath. Large shower with a seat inside there. Hey, if you're liking these kinds of videos, do me a favor. Do like, comment, share, and as always, if you could subscribe, it definitely helps me out. This is that upstairs loft area I was telling you about. You have a nice media center, extra storage. A lot of uses for this room. Now, this is the 4th bedroom. Lots of space, full bath, so you have a full suite upstairs. Don't miss out. Here's the bonus. There is any plans on building behind that house right now. So that's pretty incredible. My name's Rich Sparks, Keller Williams Realty. Thank you so much for checking this out. Give us a call. Don't wait. This property won't stick around forever. Have a great day.